We'll finish our comparison of 8PSK and GMSK modulated air interface characteristics with a summarizing table. EDGE maps 3 bits onto one symbol of the modulated carrier, whereas GSM presents a 1-to-1 relation. In both cases, the symbol rate must be the same. In other words, 270.833 kilosymbols per second or 270.833 kilobits per second. EDGE payload consists of 116 symbols per burst. GSM provides 114. The air interface gross bitrate is increased to 69.2 kilobits per second due to an additional interleaving of 4 information blocks of 346 bits per 20 milliseconds. The GSM gross bitrate is 22.8 kilobits per second.